Hey y'all, this is Mary and welcome to Mary Catherine Loves Cats. I have some beautiful products that were sent to me from the company Depology. They sent 3 gorgeous products and we're going to start with this one. I want to show you the box and there's the name, Depology, and the beautiful packaging on this product. This is the Matrixyl 3000. This is a collagen boosting serum. And when I tell you about this company, it says we're born from groundbreaking Korean technology paired with clinically proven ingredients and delivered straight to your skincare routine. Depology is powered by scientific data and a transparent approach to skincare. That's why our products undergo rigorous testing, from clinical trials to surveys. We share these results with our community so you know exactly what you're getting in every product. Depology has taken social media by storm. And the first product, the Matrixyl 3000 Collagen Boosting Serum. This is one of those wonderful serums that you can use in different ways. You can put it on your skin and you can put it under moisturizer. You can use it a couple of times a day. You can use it morning and night. This is one, if you have a facial wand, a facial tool, this is perfect for that. It's that type of a serum that you can use with a tool. And those are sort of hard to find. Some serums don't work real well with tools. This one does. It's a supercharged serum formulated to hydrate the skin, counter the visible signs of aging, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Apply it after cleansing and toning the skin every morning and night. I've been using this and it is just like silk. It makes my skin feel like silk. It's a gorgeous blue glass bottle with a pumper thing too. It's just a nice clear liquid. You can see it's a bit thick, which is very nice. It doesn't have a scent. They don't have scents to them, which is nice, so it doesn't bother you in any way. And it just, when you put it on, you can see it's nice and thick. And it just goes in and your skin feels like silk afterwards. Just rub it in. And I've been using it for almost 2 weeks now. And it feels so good, y'all. It feels so good. I have 3 products that I've been using, and your skin just feels wonderful. So that's the first product. And then the second product is this one. This is the caviar stick. This is really interesting. It's different. And what's great about this is portable. You can throw this in your purse. It is a stick. It's a balm. I'll draw it up for you like that. It is, you can use this all over your face. All over your face. You can use it on your neck. You could use all of these products. You know, the places that we know of, the face, we often forget our neck and we often forget our décolletage. So use your facial products on this whole area. This is wonderful because, like I said, you can carry this with you. Whenever you're feeling a little dry, you can put this on. You can put this on under your makeup. It will help your makeup adhere better to your skin. And it is let's use this hand over here. It is a thick balm, as you can see. And when you put it on, so you can hardly see it, it's very nice and light. And it just feels like butter. And it goes right into your skin. And it's perfect for those extra dry areas. You really can use it everywhere, but I have been having some trouble with my eye here lately. I had a sty and maybe with a little infection in my eye, and in here and around here, my eye got very, very dry, probably from treating my eye, and this has helped me tremendously. So it's called caviar, and it's a perfect word for it. It is made from, let me tell you what it's made from. It's the Moisturizing Caviar Anti-Multi Balm Stick. Packed with antioxidants, the anti-aging balm has a light and creamy texture that melts into skin, encouraging hydration. It's gentle enough to be used on the face, neck, and your eyes also. So when I read that, and this had just about started happening, I thought, well, let's check it out. And it really has helped my skin heal in through here. Now, I'm not saying it's a medical thing, but it's very difficult to know what to put if you have issues, if you have flaking. And since I had an eye irritation, you want to be careful with what you use. And this felt very safe to me to use after reading all I did on the website about it. It is made from, formulated with caviar and supercharged anti-aging ingredients. This formula will instantly smooth out your wrinkles and provide long-lasting hydration to your skin. It also has in it bakuchiol, which is a natural alternative to retinol, and this small size stick makes it easy to fit in any purse or bag. This can be used to prevent makeup from drying and caking through the day on top of foundation or alone as a serum. And then the third product they sent me is the Peptide Complex 10%, which is this gorgeous bottle. This bottle is a really dark gray, if you can see it, black bottle. And again, this is a serum. And this one, it has what is called argireline. I want to make sure I say it properly. I'm probably not pronouncing it properly, but argireline is a peptide complex. And it is that's a trade name. And it is the closest thing known to the alternative of botulinum toxin, which is something you can only get from going under the needle. So this replaces you having to go under the needle. Personally, everybody has a different feeling about cosmetic surgery. I don't know that I would ever do it. I don't think I ever would. It's quite expensive for one thing, and I just don't feel the need to. I think it's wonderful to own your face, no matter, if you have wrinkles or whatever. But let me show you, this is a dropper bottle as well. And it's also a lovely, thick liquid. And again, no scent to it, which is very nice. And it just blends in. And what I've been doing is using both of these together. And my skin just feels like silk, like velvet. It just is so soft and smooth. And it really just blends right into your skin very quickly. It's very, very lovely. And so it's the closest thing to I can't pronounce these words, y'all, botulinum toxin that you can get without going under the needle. It has multiple benefits. It helps smooth lines and wrinkles and even out skin tone by reducing excess collagen production. And best of all, it's gentle enough to use on sensitive areas like the eyes and mouth. And it's just everything I've tried from this company has been really, really nice. And like I said, this brand took the social media by storm. And I was so happy when they asked me to show y'all some of these products. So I will have their information below, the website and everything, if you'd like to check them out. I just really think that they're lovely, lovely skincare products. And here they are again. This one is the Matrixil. Matrixil 3000 is the blue bottle. The Peptide Complex 10% is the dark gray black bottle. And then the caviar is the stick. And that caviar, it's just the coolest thing. Because again, with my eye situation, I was carrying this with me in my bag each day, so that throughout the day I could put some of this on. It was like an ointment, and it has really helped my skin heal. So thank you so much to Depology for sending me these beautiful products. And y'all go check them out. They're reasonably priced items. Thank y'all for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.